Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm here with my 2016 F150 XL with the 6.5 foot, which is really like 6.7 inches. So we're going to take a look at this new thing I got. DG tailgate support bars. So this is what they look like. These are the long ones. I got the 3-pack. Just kind of put it on like that. Push down. And there you have it. And really it's for really heavy loads, right? It's not real tight because I don't have a side-by-side on here. If you put a side-by-side on here, this won't be moving around. But it's good to have so you don't trust these cables. So to get them off, pop that. You can just pop that right off. And there we have it. So that's the long ones. The middle size are these ones. Same thing, just go like that. Lift up. And there you go. That's a good distance. Now this would probably be, for if, you're just hanging out, your dirt bikes. Mine fit in pretty well, so if I wanted to keep the bike straight, I could go ahead and do the shorter bars. This is the shortest bar. And these bars, being short, are a little harder to get on. But same method, just because they're so short, you kind of have to bend it in. And like so. These ones you could use if you just can't close it, just enough. These would work. Honestly, I'd probably use the long ones for the side-by-side, the medium ones for the motorcycles, at least on this truck. The small ones would be, just in case, I guess, if I wanted just to have this up just that much more so it's not slanted. But there you go. Small, medium, and extended. As you can see, that goes all the way. Now, question is, what trucks do these fit on? I've used my brother-in-law's from his 2004 F250. It's pretty much, will it snap into there, and will it go around up here on the post. So these pretty much work on many different trucks. You'll just have to see if the post and the hole fit. But yeah, so if you buy a new truck, it might work, it might not work, it all just depends, right? And these lengths, I guess, could be different too, depending where the post is at. But I would think in most cases it's pretty close. But if you're buying a new set, obviously you put in your year, make, model, and there you go. And I'll have the link down in the description of the DG Manufacturing tailgate support bars. And this is not sponsored, I paid for these. So we'll see how they do in the long haul. I already know they work because I've used the brother-in-law's for years. And then I bought my friend, the FLB Club, a set, and we've used those. So they do work, I do know that. Now whether they work good for the side-by-side, I would think so. I have no reason not to. For those that care, they are made in the USA. So good a sport of an American company. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.